EA500H7 Flexible Rental LED Display is a high-performance display designed for the rental market. With its innovative quick-lock design and flexible installation method, it is widely used in stage performances, exhibitions, commercial activities, and other scenes. The quick-lock design is adopted around it, and the material is durable and beautiful in appearance, which not only improves the installation efficiency, but also ensures the flatness of the screen. The left and top of the screen are equipped with two quick locks, which makes the assembly process more convenient and effectively improves the overall flatness of the picture, bringing users a better visual experience. EA500H7 uses a dedicated LED module and supports arc installation. It can be bent and installed with inner or outer arcs according to needs, and can even be spliced into a cylindrical shape to meet the needs of various scenes. Its sliding control arc design makes the curve adjustment more precise, simple, and convenient to operate, and greatly improves the installation efficiency and flexibility. Whether it is necessary to create a curved background wall or splice into a unique cylindrical display, the EA500H7 can easily cope with it, providing users with more creative display possibilities. In addition, the durability and stability of EA500H7 are also commendable. Its materials have been carefully selected to maintain a long service life in frequent rental use. At the same time, the high brightness and high refresh rate of the screen ensure clear and smooth display, and can present delicate colors and details even in strong light environments.